friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make fish puttu. This is a very special and delicious side dish that best goes with steamed rice. Very nutritious and a healthy recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan, and to this add 1 cup of water. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 250 grams of fish. You can go with any variety of fish. Close it with a lid and let this cook for 5 minutes in medium flame. After 5 minutes, open and check. One side of the fish is well done, so flip it to the other side and let this again cook for 5 minutes in medium flame. The fish is well done and ready, so remove from the water. Allow it to cool a little. Then remove the skin and shred the flesh into small pieces. Likewise, shred all the fish pieces and keep it ready. Now heat a pan, and to this add 2 teaspoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 onion chopped, 2 green chilies chopped and few curry leaves chopped. Give it a quick mix. To this add the fish pieces and mix it well. Now let's go ahead and add the spices. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/4 teaspoon of fennel powder. Mix it well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Then to this add 1/2 teaspoon of crushed pepper powder and mix it well. Then add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut and give it a quick mix. Finally, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and off the flame. Now our delicious fish puttu is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this fish puttu recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.